Good morning, catastrophic science students. Today is Thursday, April 16th, and we are currently in the last call at the OASIS documentary week. This week, today and tomorrow, you should be finishing up the documentary Last Call at the Oasis. If you need to continue working through the weekend, that is fine. I would certainly hope that you could have it finished by Sunday of this week. Be sure that you submit the 4-page, 38-question packet, the viewer's guide that goes along with Last Call at the Oasis when you have finished. If you have any issues, concerns, or stress relating to this e-learning process, please email me and communicate with me. One size of e-learning does not fit all, so we can modify this so that it works for you. And that takes us to our thought of the day. What letters of the word enjoy? What letters in the word enjoy are also found in the word e-learning? Well, if you look at those two words, only the E and the N in the word enjoy are found in e-learning. Only the E and the N. The letters J-O-Y in enjoy are not found in the spelling of e-learning. There is no J, there is no O, there is no Y from the word enjoy in e-learning. That's because it's our job to put the joy in e-learning. Let's make this work for you. Let me know how I can help.